Pay close attention, because the next few minutes could completely change the way you see the penny sitting in your pocket, coin jar, or old collection. Right now, across the United States, countless people may be holding on to Lincoln Wheat Pennies without realizing that a few rare examples are highly sought after by serious collectors. At first glance, these old pennies might look simple, dirty, or even forgotten, but hidden among them could be incredible pieces of American history with surprising value. Welcome back to Nickel Coin PK, where today we're uncovering the top 5 super rare and most valuable Lincoln Wheat pennies that collectors are always searching for. These aren't just ordinary 1-cent coins. Certain dates, mint marks, rare varieties, and unusual details can make a huge difference in what a coin may be worth to the right collector. So before you spend an old Lincoln Wheat penny, take a closer look and make sure you know exactly what you're holding. Stay with me all the way to the end because the coins on this list become more exciting and more valuable as we go. You never know, one of these rare pennies could be hiding in an old jar, a forgotten collection, or even your everyday change. Now let's get started. First up, stop scrolling for a moment and take a very close look at the old pennies hiding in your collection, because today we are exploring a fascinating piece of American coin history that could be far more interesting than its original 1-cent face value. We are talking about the 1944 Lincoln Wheat Penny with a D mint mark, an important Denver issue in extra fine condition. This historic wheat cent comes from the final years of the Second World War, a period when America was experiencing extraordinary changes. With its famous Abraham Lincoln portrait, iconic wheat reverse, Denver mint mark, and strong collector interest, the 1944 D Lincoln Wheat Penny is a coin that deserves a careful examination. The Lincoln Wheat Penny is one of the most recognizable and beloved coins in American numismatic history. First introduced in 1909 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, the coin featured Lincoln's portrait on the obverse and 2 wheat stalks on the reverse. Created by Victor David Brenner, this classic design became a familiar part of American daily life for nearly 50 years. The 1944 issue is particularly interesting because it was produced during the wartime era and followed the famous 1943 steel cent year, making it an important part of the story of American coinage. The D mint mark beneath the date identifies this coin as a product of the Denver Mint. For collectors, this small letter is extremely important because it separates the 1944 D issue from Philadelphia and San Francisco examples. The coin's classic design features Lincoln facing right, with Liberty and In God We Trust surrounding his portrait, while the reverse displays the famous wheat stalks around 1 cent and United States of America. The combination of the 1944 date and D mint mark makes this a fascinating piece for collectors building complete Lincoln wheat cent collections. The extra fine condition adds another layer of appeal to the 1944 D Lincoln Wheat Penny. An extra fine example has circulated, but it still retains a strong amount of its original design detail. Lincoln's portrait remains clearly visible, the date is easy to read, and the wheat stalks on the reverse retain important details. Collectors carefully examine the amount of remaining detail, the surfaces, and the overall eye appeal when determining a coin's condition. A well-preserved extra fine example can be an attractive and historic addition to a serious collection. The 1944 D Lincoln Wheat Penny is also connected to one of the most exciting stories in Lincoln cent collecting. During the transition from the unusual 1943 steel composition back to copper-based cents, a very small number of 1944 cents were accidentally struck on leftover steel planchets. Genuine 1944 steel cents are extremely rare and highly sought after by collectors. This famous rarity makes the 1944 date especially exciting, but collectors should remember that a standard 1944D copper cent is different from a rare steel error. If a coin appears unusual, professional authentication is essential. When it comes to current market value, a 1944D Lincoln Wheat Penny in extra fine condition can be worth more than its original 1-cent face value, with the exact dollar amount depending on the precise grade, color, surface quality, and collector demand. Stronger examples with attractive original surfaces can command greater interest, while exceptional high-grade specimens, recognized varieties, and authentic mint errors can reach substantially higher values. The most reliable way to determine the market value of an individual coin is to compare it with recent verified sales of similar 1944D examples. For collectors, the first step is to carefully confirm the date and mint mark. Look closely at the number 1944, and then inspect the area beneath the date for the letter D after confirming the Denver origin. Examine Lincoln's portrait and the reverse wheat stalks for signs of wear and remaining detail. Pay attention to the coin's natural copper color and surfaces, and never rush to clean an old wheat penny. Original surfaces are important to collectors, and polishing or scrubbing can permanently change the coin. Another important tip is to examine the coin under good lighting and magnification for unusual characteristics. Study the date, lettering, and design details carefully, and compare anything unusual with trusted numismatic references. If you suspect a rare variety, mint error, or unusual composition, professional authentication and grading can be extremely valuable. A recognized grading service can verify the coin's authenticity, evaluate its condition, and provide information that helps collectors understand its potential market position. There is something fascinating about imagining the journey of a 1944 Lincoln Wheat Penny. After leaving the Denver Mint during the final years of the Second World War, this tiny coin could have traveled through stores, banks, businesses, and homes across America. It may have been carried in someone's pocket, spent at a local shop, or saved by a family before eventually finding its way into a collection. Today, collectors can look at this small copper coin and see a direct connection to an important chapter in American history. In conclusion, the 1944 Lincoln Wheat Penny in extra fine condition is a fascinating coin that deserves attention from anyone interested in historic American coinage. Its Denver Mint mark, classic Lincoln design, wartime-era history, and connection to the legendary 1944 steel cent era make the date especially exciting. While a normal circulated 1944 penny should not automatically be expected to be worth millions. The Lincoln Cent series contains extraordinary rarities that have achieved remarkable prices. So check your old coin jars, wheat penny albums, family collections, and forgotten boxes carefully. Examine every 1944 penny you discover, protect it from cleaning, and seek professional advice if you find something unusual. The next exciting discovery could be waiting in your collection, and sometimes a small 1-cent coin can carry an incredible story and a surprisingly valuable place in the world of rare coins. Next up, the 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny without a mint mark, a Philadelphia issue in extra fine condition. This is a coin from an important era in American history, and its age, classic design, and place within the Lincoln Wheat Cent series make it an exciting piece for collectors. If you have a 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny without a mint mark, do not overlook it, because this historic coin deserves a careful examination for its condition, originality, and potential collector interest. The Lincoln Wheat Penny is one of the most famous coins ever produced by the United States Mint. First introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, it featured Lincoln's portrait on the obverse and 2 wheat stalks on the reverse. The design was created by Victor David Brenner and remained in production until 1958. The 1920 issue belongs to the early decades of the wheat penny era, making it especially interesting to collectors who appreciate coins from the early 20th century. Every surviving example represents a small piece of American history that has traveled through more than a century of time. The absence of a mint mark is an important feature of this particular 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny. A coin without a mint mark was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which traditionally did not place a mint letter on its circulating coinage. The 1920 Philadelphia issue is an important part of the Lincoln Wheat Cent series, and is especially interesting for collectors who build complete date and mint collections. On the obverse, Lincoln's famous portrait faces right, surrounded by liberty and in God we trust, while the reverse displays the iconic wheat stalks framing 1 cent and United States of America. The extra fine condition of this 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny adds considerable appeal to the coin. An extra fine example has experienced circulation, yet it still retains a strong amount of its original design detail. Lincoln's portrait remains clearly visible, the date is easy to identify, and the reverse wheat stalks retain important details. Collectors carefully study the amount of wear on Lincoln's hair, cheek, jawline, and other raised areas, as well as the sharpness of the wheat ears. A well-preserved extra fine example can be an attractive addition to a collection because it combines great age with strong remaining detail. The rarity and collector demand surrounding the 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny make it an interesting date to investigate. Early wheat cents are popular with collectors because they represent an important period in American coinage, and examples with attractive preservation can command stronger attention. The 1920 Philadelphia issue is part of a broader series that collectors often pursue year by year and mint by mint. When a coin has survived for more than a century while retaining strong details and attractive surfaces, it can become a desirable part of a serious collection. When discussing coins that could make you a millionaire, the Lincoln Wheat Cent series contains some extraordinary rarities, famous mint errors, rare varieties, and exceptional condition examples that have achieved remarkable prices. A normal 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny without a mint mark in extra fine condition should not automatically be expected to sell for millions of dollars, but that does not make it uninteresting. The excitement comes from examining every coin carefully and understanding exactly what you have. Unusual varieties, exceptional preservation, and authenticated errors can dramatically change the desirability and market value of individual coins. When it comes to current market value, a 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny without a mint mark in extra fine condition can be worth more than its original 1-cent face value. with the exact dollar amount depending on the precise grade, color, surface quality, originality, and collector demand. An attractive example with strong details and natural surfaces can command greater interest than a heavily worn coin. Higher grade specimens can attract substantially stronger premiums, while recognized varieties or authentic mint errors can belong to a much more valuable category. Collectors should research recent verified sales of comparable 1920 Philadelphia examples to understand the current market. Collectors should carefully examine the date, confirm the absence of a mint mark, and then study the overall condition of the coin. Look closely at Lincoln's portrait, the date, Liberty, and In God We Trust, then turn the coin over and examine the wheat stalks and lettering. Pay attention to the natural copper color and surface quality, and avoid cleaning or polishing the coin. Original surfaces are highly important in coin collecting, and unnecessary cleaning can permanently change the appearance and reduce collector appeal. A protective holder and careful handling by the edges can help preserve the coin for the future. Another excellent tip is to examine the 1920 penny under good lighting and magnification for unusual characteristics. Study the date, lettering, and design details carefully, and compare anything unusual with trusted numismatic references. If you believe you have discovered a possible variety or mint error, professional authentication and grading can provide valuable information. A recognized grading service can confirm authenticity, evaluate the condition, and help establish a reliable basis for comparing the coin with other examples in the marketplace. In conclusion, the 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny without a mint mark in extra fine condition is a fascinating piece of American history and an exciting coin for collectors to discover. Its Philadelphia origin, classic Abraham Lincoln portrait, iconic wheat reverse, early 20th century history, and strong collector appeal make it worthy of careful examination. While not every 1920 penny will become a millionaire maker, the world of Lincoln Wheat Pennies is filled with valuable rarities, fascinating varieties, and historic treasures. So check your old coin jars, wheat penny albums, inherited collections, and forgotten boxes carefully. If you find a 1920 Lincoln Wheat Penny without a mint mark, take a close look, protect it from cleaning, and consider professional evaluation if it appears especially interesting. Sometimes, a tiny 1-cent coin can carry more than a century of history and potentially hold a special place in the world of valuable American coins. Next up, the 1951 Lincoln Wheat Penny with a D mint mark, a Denver Mint issue in very fine condition. This classic wheat cent comes from an important period in American history, when the United States was moving through the post-war years and entering a new era of economic growth and change. With its historic Abraham Lincoln portrait, iconic wheat reverse, Denver mint mark, and long history of collector interest, the 1951 D Lincoln Wheat Penny is a coin that deserves a very close examination. The Lincoln Wheat Penny is one of the most famous and beloved coins in American numismatic history. First introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, the coin featured Lincoln's portrait on the obverse and 2 wheat stalks on the reverse. Victor David Brenner created this legendary design, which remained in production until 1958. The 1951 issue belongs to the final decade of the wheat penny era, making it an important part of collections focused on the later years of this historic series. Every surviving example represents a small piece of American history that passed through countless hands before reaching collectors today. The D mint mark beneath the date is one of the most important identifying features of this coin. The letter D indicates that the 1951 Lincoln Wheat Penny was struck at the Denver Mint. For collectors, mint marks are extremely important because they separate coins produced at different United States mint facilities. The 1951 D penny is therefore distinct from the Philadelphia and San Francisco issues of the same year. Collectors building complete day-10 mint collections often search for examples from each facility, making the 1951 D Lincoln Wheat Penny an interesting and collectible issue. The design of the 1951 D Lincoln Wheat Penny is instantly recognizable. On the obverse, Abraham Lincoln faces right, surrounded by the inscriptions Liberty and In God We Trust, while the date 1951 appears prominently in front of his portrait. The reverse features 2 wheat stalks framing 1 cent and United States of America, with EPLURIBUS UNUM above. The very fine condition of this coin means it has experienced circulation while still retaining a strong amount of its original design detail. Lincoln's portrait remains clearly visible, the date is readable, and the wheat stalks retain important features that collectors can carefully examine. The rarity and condition of a 1951 D Lincoln Wheat Penny can play an important role in collector demand. Collectors study the amount of wear on Lincoln's portrait, the sharpness of the lettering, the clarity of the date, and the details remaining on the wheat stalks. They also pay close attention to the coin's surfaces, color, and overall eye appeal. A well-preserved, very fine example can be an attractive addition to a collection, especially for someone assembling a complete Lincoln Wheat cent set. Coins with exceptional preservation, strong details, or unusual characteristics can generate even greater attention among dedicated collectors. When people talk about coins that could make you a millionaire, the Lincoln Wheat Penny series is one of the most exciting areas to explore. While a normal 1951D Lincoln Wheat Penny in very fine condition should not automatically be expected to sell for millions of dollars, the wider Lincoln Cent series includes extraordinary rarities, famous varieties, rare mint errors, and exceptional high-grade specimens that have achieved remarkable prices. This is why collectors continue to inspect old wheat pennies so carefully. A coin that looks ordinary at first glance can sometimes deserve a much closer examination, especially when it displays an unusual feature or exceptional preservation. When it comes to current market value, a 1951D Lincoln Wheat Penny in very fine condition can be worth more than its original 1 cent face value, with the exact dollar amount depending on the coin's precise grade, color, surface quality, and current collector demand. Attractive examples with strong details and natural surfaces can command greater interest. Higher grade coins may bring stronger premiums, while recognized varieties or authentic mint errors can reach substantially higher values. To determine the current market value of a specific 1951D penny, collectors should compare it with recent verified sales of coins in similar grades and conditions. For collectors, the first step is to carefully confirm the date and mint mark. Look closely at the number 1951, and then examine the area beneath the date for the letter D. Once the Denver origin is confirmed, carefully inspect Lincoln's portrait, the date, and the surrounding lettering. Then turn the coin over and examine the wheat stalks and inscriptions. Look for strong remaining details and natural surfaces, and avoid cleaning or polishing the coin. Original surfaces are highly valued in numismatics, and improper cleaning can permanently change the coin's appearance. If the penny appears unusual or especially well preserved, professional authentication and grading can provide valuable information. Another important tip is to examine the coin under good lighting and magnification for possible varieties or mint errors. Carefully study the date, lettering, and design details, and compare anything unusual with trusted numismatic references. If you believe the coin may have a recognized variety or unusual characteristic, professional evaluation can help confirm what you have. A certified coin can be easier to research and compare with other examples in the marketplace. Proper storage is also essential, so keep the coin in a suitable protective holder and handle it carefully by the edges. In conclusion, the 1951D Lincoln Wheat Penny in very fine condition is a fascinating piece of American history and an exciting coin for collectors to discover. Its Denver Mint origin, classic Abraham Lincoln portrait, famous wheat reverse, and place within the later years of the Wheat Penny series give it lasting collector appeal. While a standard 1951D penny will not automatically be a millionaire maker, the search for rare Lincoln Wheat Pennies remains exciting because exceptional varieties, errors, and high-grade examples can command significant prices. So check your old coin jars, inherited collections, wheat penny albums, and forgotten boxes carefully. If you discover a 1951 Lincoln Wheat Penny with a D mint mark, take a close look at its condition, color, surfaces, and unique characteristics. Protect it carefully, research it thoroughly, and consider professional evaluation if it appears especially interesting, because the next remarkable coin discovery could be waiting right in front of you.